All right, my friends, we have good news and we have bad news. The good news is that the winning streak continues. A month plus of green days and $5,600 in profit so far this week on a Tuesday. The bad news is I left $5, $10, $15,000 in profit on the table, and we're going to talk about why that happened, what setups I missed, what golden rules I did follow that caused that, and where this market is heading. So I appreciate you guys. If you guys do get some value from this video, make sure to tap in, hit that subscribe button. I teach for free every single day here. Win, lose, or break even. I'm breaking down my trades and helping you guys learn from someone with 9+ years of trading experience and years of verified profits. Now, let's first talk about the setups that I made money on. I called 2 winning trades inside Team Bull today, both to the downside. Now, mind you, I paper handed these horribly for a few reasons. For one, last night I was at a concert. I don't typically go out on weeknights, but Papa Roach was in Denver, so we had to go, and I didn't sleep well. So whenever I don't sleep well, I made a rule for myself that I don't trade, or I trade very lightly. Now, I woke up late this morning. My morning routine was already off, which you guys know that I'm huge on. I know it's not technical analysis related, but whenever my morning routine gets thrown off swing, or whenever I have some roadblock come up in my day, I'm always very cautious with my trading. I've been doing this for 9 years, guys. I promise you that when your daily routine gets thrown off, or when something gets mishapped in your day, you're more often than not going to see that reflect in your trading performance, and most of the time, not so good. So just be careful with that. And whenever you guys have those sleepless nights or something going on, just always be cautious with your risk parameters. Now, back to the trade recap. So I saw us moving aggressively up, and we actually had decent volume on this move up. So I wasn't interested in shorting any of this. I actually missed a really good setup here. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But I see these reversal candles starting to form, right? We wick up, right? Reversal candle 1. Wick up, reversal candle 2. Wick up, reversal candle 3. And then this is where it really gets my attention. We're getting aggressive selling volume on this aggressive reversal candle. The only thing that I guess scared me a little bit was that it kind of looked like a flag. It looked like we were bull flagging here, but I don't really trade flags. So I look at price and I look at volume. So on this particular candle, right, I see us on this candle between here and here, right, we begin to move on down and to sell off. So on this particular candle, I see us move aggressively down here, right, aggressive move down with supporting volume. So on this pop back up here, right, to around this 300-ish area, this is where I enter. I get a really good entry on these shorts, okay? We ride this down, we get like 50 points out of this. I trim one off on the way down, and then I get stopped on the way back up, right? I don't catch all 50 points, mind you, just to make that very clear. I catch 20 and some change, and then I get stopped out on the rest because I wanted to catch the bigger move. Again, right, we see us come back up, aggressively wick me out, move back up, another reversal candle due to the low volume. And then on this aggressive push down here, I end up entering again on this push down here. We break through this low and wick me out again. I catch like 20 points on that move. Again, I only get 1 mini trims on each, and I end up about $800 in profit on the day. So, did I leave a ton on the table? Absolutely. I should have had a 5, 10K day here, if not more. I don't like to use the word should, but I mean, typically speaking with my risk parameters, how I trade, it should have been a whopping day. Now, I also wasn't trading options because the premiums have been so damn jacked. With the VIX above 50, 60, it's really tough to trade options right now, especially 0 days or 1 days. So no options trades for me today. That could change tomorrow. And what I want you guys to understand about these 2 trades is, yes, I only made $800, but this week I'm up over 5K. And everyone wants to be a guru nowadays. Everyone wants to show that they're the most profitable trader in the world and they make that millions a day. The reality is, guys, I'm gonna toot my own horn for a second. I've been doing this 9 years. Not a lot of people on social media that were posting 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 a day, are still here. I'm not just gonna show you how to make money. I'm gonna show you how to make it and keep it over a sustainable period of time. That's where the edge comes, and that's why I'm so thankful you guys trust me with your education, is because I'm going to preach the importance of discipline, of avoiding FOMO, and avoiding the setbacks that I've had to spend years learning so you don't have to. Now, let's also talk about for a moment the setup that I missed. I'm sure some of you guys that watch all my videos have seen this. I missed a beautiful upside setup that ended up paying out 200 plus points on NQ, right? We marked the 15-minute high of the first 15 minutes and the 15-minute low. Now, what do we notice here? We get this aggressive move up. We get a 5-minute close here. Don't love that we didn't have great volume, but it wasn't terrible. 5-minute close. We retest back down. On that retest, we watch the 5-minute and the 1-minute chart. So I like to see a few candles down. Then on this move back up, enter here, keep stops below the previous 1-minute candle and ride it up. Unfortunately, if you guys were on my live stream, you saw this. My trading view glitched out. I had some technical errors, and I missed the setup. I wasn't focused. I didn't sleep well. I missed the setup. It was on me. I can blame my trading view. Reality is, it was on me. So, beautiful textbook setup here to the upside. I would play this 100 times over to the downside as well. This likely stopped some people out that tried to play that downside orb. But something I like to do too is the orb retest, right? Or the second time retest. So if we come up here, move up, aggressively move down, I'll sometimes wait for the second retest back up, like this candle here, move down, try to catch the lower high, keep stops above previous wick high here, and then ride it down. That's another strategy that's paid me a lot of money over the years and something that I really enjoy trading. So to break down the morning, that's what happened. That was my trading morning. Now, I also want to point out too that this is a generational opportunity for traders, especially the young ones, anyone from 18 to like 50, right? If you're over 50, I love you too. You're not old, but I'm saying for us real young cats, like especially, my generation, I'm 28, right? Is stop being scared of the market crashes. Right now, let's let this load and let's see exactly how many percent we are down, how much percentage points we are down. If it would ever load, I think it's something along the lines of like 21, 22% ish. I guess I gotta get some bigger trades, upgrade my Wi-Fi apparently. My goodness, it's taken 10 years. All right, let's see if this will load over here. Now they're both frozen. So while these load, we are being given a generational opportunity. Everyone complains about the market being too high and being too expensive, but then when the pullback comes, people get fearful and they want to wait. The blueprint to wealth is finding a system to make money day trading and putting that money in to your long terms. Now, mind you, I'm not a financial advisor, but a few names I've been adding, you can see here in Team Bull, a few of the names I've added lately: NVIDIA, Tesla, QQQ, SPY. I love all those. I think that we're going to see some massive rips eventually. I mean, I know we're going back to all-time highs, that's for sure. But it's just a matter of when. I'm not saying right now. 6 months, 6 years, whatever it is, I don't care, I'm adding. So let's see this. Let's see from the highs on the daily, the very highs to now, to what we are at now. We are down 23% currently. So if you've been looking for that pullback to get in, to start adding, to DCAing, just saying, you're looking at it. Don't sleep on these opportunities, is what I'm telling you guys, right? From a friend perspective, from a day trading, swing trading perspective, like this is giving us a blessing. And personally, I'd love to see us have a weekly close and hold this right here. These are these previous all-time highs before rejection and move up. If we fail to 16,650, right, these lows here, 16.5, excuse me, I think the next stop is going to be like 14s to 15s, and I will for sure be adding in here, for sure. So for what it's worth, that's what I'm watching. I'm going to remember to keep trading smart, keep trading safe, keep choosing discipline over dopamine, and stay on the mission, guys. I understand this game is extremely tough. Trust me, I get it. It's tested every single limit that I've ever put on myself. It's made me expand my mental bandwidth farther than I ever thought possible. But I promise you, if you guys stick with it, if you want it more than you want to breathe, if you're willing to put in 1, 2, 3, 4 years of screen time, obviously I'm going to do my best to help you guys through that and help you not just with strategy, but with building the discipline and the mindset required to keep the money that you make. That's a real big edge that I have and that you guys have watching this channel. Is I'm going to stress the importance of your daily routine, of daily habits, of doing simple things every day that will make you a more profitable trader. People don't get that part. We do it Team Bull. So keep trading smart, keep trading safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to tap that subscribe button, and thank you for watching the channel. God bless.